how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create your own adjustable background blur. So let us get straight into it. First, let's add the blur. Now you can see I'm fully blurred out, but we want only the background to be blurred and the face to be not blurred. So let's make it like that. Let me swap this white texture to the other texture. So now you can see we have the blur in the background right here, and now it's time to add that. Like that adjustable thing, adjust where you can adjust the how much blur you have in the background. Now let's add that. I want to set up a different capture and a live target. Let's rename this to UI target. Let's do color picker. Change the blur value. Change blur. Script function. Yes, correct. So now this we are done with everything. Now it's time to test it out. Now right here I can just make it a little bit more up, and you can see the blur changes. Now if I do it to max, it will be fully maxed out. If I do it to middle, it will be little blur, and if I do it to fully down, it will be no blur. So yeah, that's it for this lesson about how to have a slider where you can adjust the how much like blur you have in the background. And yeah, that's it for this lesson, and if you want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe to my courses. Thank you and bye bye.